Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. So far, Bitcoin is following the preferred interpretation for this C wave to the upside. This move has pretty much gone according to plan, this B wave pullback and then the C wave bounce. I mean, the first question was if we would get another high in this A wave or this wave 4. The market told us already very early in the week, actually already on Sunday, that we probably wouldn't get another high. Actually, it was Monday. On Monday, that we wouldn't get another high, that we have already started a pullback. And as I said before, during the pullback then, the question was, is this already the next move down? Or is it simply a B wave in a larger wave 4? The preferred interpretation on this channel was a wider wave 4 as we get it right now. The reason were simply proportions. Proportions because, of course, it's valid that this was the entire wave 4, this entire move up from the 21st of November low to the 28th of November high. But I always try to explain why I see the market in a certain way, why a certain interpretation is the preferred interpretation. And in this case, the at least slightly preferred interpretation was a wider wave 4 because of a few things. First of all, the pullback was a 3-wave move. We held micro support, and compared to the wave 2, which happened weeks before, this wave 4 just aligns better with the overall proportions. So 3 main reasons, okay? Now, don't get me wrong, it would have been easily possible to form that 5th wave down already. It wouldn't have been wrong, it wouldn't have been unexpected, but I did say to you clearly, as long as we're holding here the 83,140 level and we don't get a decisive break below, we want to take a look at, or we want to consider at least a wider wave 4, right? So in this ABC structure to the upside, that C wave could be unfolding right now. Obviously, you know that. We talked about it yesterday already. And in this C wave, we're tracking 5 waves. So early yesterday, I think when I made the first video yesterday, pretty much the same time, 24 hours ago, we saw a micro 5-wave move up, which gave us an early indication that this C wave has started. That's why we do the work every single day. I hope it helped some of you, but that's exactly why we do the work, because on the micro patterns, on the micro time frame that we are looking at right now as well, we can identify structures and confirmations as early as possible, earlier than many others, because many analysts wouldn't even show you that degree of micro counting. It's a lot of work. And so we have seen 5 waves up. That was our wave 1, and that gave us an indication the market wants to go higher. Then we saw a shallow wave 2, and now we have seen 5 waves up in wave 3. I think, this wave 4 now can start at any point. Expectation yesterday was for one more high, support held, and we got that one more high. The thing is, we could easily get one more high here in wave 5 of 3, but we're now talking about the nano. It's not needed. So I've already updated support, which is between $90,134 and $92,136. This is our, let's say, support for upside trend continuation. And one more high would be easily possible in this 5th wave of C of 4 to complete the whole pattern. So whether we get one more high like this, then a pullback, then higher, or we're already in this pullback, I mean, that's literally just noise. That'll be decided probably over the coming hours. But bottom line is, as long as the market can hold above 90,134, at least one more high is expected. I told you already yesterday about the ideal target, which is $96,700 at least. That's the first ideal target, the 100% Fibonacci extension. And if we zoom out a little bit, the 50% retracement here at 96,850 is the next key resistance. So these are overlapping. That doesn't mean the market has to stop there, but it would align very well with ideal proportions. I will, of course, pay very close attention to the market when we get there. But for now, we have a first attempted break above the Friday high, 28th of November. So, I mean, support is updated. Market shows some short-term strength, not unexpected, and we'll see how the market reacts to this support area. That should give you all the parameters for today. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, if you want to take it a little bit further, that Elliott Wave understanding, and also if you are interested in more updates, check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Today I updated here Ethereum already, for example, and you get a lot of additional updates here as well as all the insights and more updates when we run the next live sessions. The book project, for example, because I'm writing a book on Elliott Wave and financial markets. So there are live streams about it and you can learn and so on. So again, I put the link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.